the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SNG Comedy.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode of The Big Question with SNG. Today's special guest is star boy Naveen Richards. Naveen
Richard, don't freaking make that mistake, alright?
Naveen is unique because he has a firsty.
Yeah.
What?
Just
Two first names.
Yeah.
Firsty.
Is Richard's not a first name?
Richard is a first name.
Richard Attenborough.
Yeah,
Between
right.
Naveen and Richard is more.
I had a friend
He
named
should travel more.
I had a friend named Tina John. That's also a firsty. Tina
Alright.
John.
It could be either one, alright? You know, in Kerala, they either have Thomas George, next kid's George Thomas. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Alright, so today's topic is what are our favorite superstitions? Do you follow any superstition?
Okay, the
Or
first
we'll
one,
phrase the
first one
question.
that comes out is black cat crossing the road.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that? Like, why a black cat?
Okay, so if a normal
levels
cat
of-
crosses, no, if a normal cat crosses, this is a friend who is like heavy into superstition. He was like, if a normal cat crosses, वो थूकेगा and then he'll go.
ये मेरे उबर वाले ने भी
हाँ.
किया था. He just randomly stopped the car ahead. अच्छा सर क्या हुआ? नहीं सर वो बिल्ली गया ना.
तो थूका उसने और काला बिल्ली जाएगा तो you turn around, थूक and then backwards cross.
Oh
Whoa.
my god.
Do you think that's the reason why there's so many pan stains all on the road? But they can just blame it on the cat. Actually, I was just
Fuck
walking
the
and a
cat.
cat crossed the road, so I had to spit my pan out.
I don't think it makes. I think the only time it's dangerous when a black cat goes by is if it's two black cats and you're in the Matrix. Then you're. Otherwise, I think you're alright.
That's right.
No, but Naveen, are you superstitious? Is your
No.
family superstitious?
No, they're not superstitious. I think I'm personally like I was going through a phase when I started off comedy and I'm like, this is my lucky shirt, guys. It's my lucky shirt.
yeah.
Now one day I bombed in that shirt, so I'm like, I think it ran out of luck. All right.
And a
Threw
stupid
it up.
cat crossed the road. That's why
Yeah.
his shirt is out. Do two superstitions cancel each other out?
The thing is, मैं अच्छा breakfast खा के निकलता था because it's a like you're going for a good like an interview or a presentation.
That's not a superstition.
नहीं, I'm eating. नहीं.
that is
I've
dumb.
a good
That is
meal.
dumb.
I've had a good breakfast like अंडा खा के and then suddenly my mother will go दही खा तो पूरा taste खराब हो गया मुंह का.
So when we were kids, like my mom was fascinated with my height. She's like, I want you to be taller. Be taller. So nobody can jump over you. And you can't jump over anybody. You ever did that?
Yeah.
So
Too
if
bad
you're
she didn't
if you're
concentrate
lying
on the
down-
hair.
You cross the person.
If you're lying
Yeah.
down, you should never jump over that person.
Yeah.
Not just jump. So if you're lying
Yeah.
down like this and you just cross over the person,
Yeah.
you reduce your height reduces.
Your height
What?
reduces. Yeah. Your
Yeah.
height reduces.
I think it's the same reason they say don't cross over a lemon on the road, right? You say if someone,
No, you don't step on the lemon.
I think you don't walk over it because that's the evil spirits are like chilling in that.
Yeah,
lemon.
this was an
lemon.
Ahat episode that I'd seen, which was all about that lemon and mirchi that they sell. So if it's like, if you're possessed by a ghost or a demon or something, so exorcism is desi version, nimbu or mirchi, and ऐसे करेगा तो वो भूत उसके अंदर घुस जाएगा, and you throw it on the street so that किसी और के अंदर घुस
अच्छा,
जाए.
okay.
This is typical
Ah.
Indian mentality.
मेरे घर में
से
कचरा नहीं.
कचरा
हाँ,
निकालो.
कचरा
You know,
बाहर.
but like the Thai people, they treat their ghosts very differently. When I was walking
They
down the
give them a
street,
massage. Yeah, massage.
no, that's you, buddy. That's you. Don't-
Varun is sitting at home अपने ghost
So if you ever go walk down a street in Bangkok, one of those market squares, there'll be all these shops on the streets, and they'll have open containers of Mirinda, pink Mirinda, orange Mirinda, with a straw on it. So I almost went to grab one. I think, yeah, thank you. And he got my hand like that. I was like, what is this for? And he started saying something in Thai, and my friend was like, it's for the ghosts. Apparently the Thai believe that the ghosts like sweet, sugary, orange and pink drinks. So they every morning they'll open one, put a straw on it, and just keep it.
Dude, you know who made
So Gola-
this fucking superstition? Mirinda. Like this is
Yeah.
such a
Yeah,
great
yeah,
way.
yeah.
Every day
Yeah,
I
yeah,
boost
yeah.
sales. Yeah. What a great way to boost sales.
I don't get it. So they like their ghosts and they chill with them. What is
they
the problem?
they want to keep them happy.
Oh,
They don't
right.
want to displease the ghost.
I would be really pissed off if I was a ghost and I got Fanta. I'm like, bro, where's the thumbs up? I need thumbs up because that's the
That's
best.
your-
And old monk.
That Varun Thakur as a ghost is going to be really unhappy. Where's the fucking thumbs up, damn it? So this is an interesting story I read about how superstition actually can be used positively. So like when I was in Shimla, I think I've told you this before. So when I was in Shimla, they
One second. First time on this entire
Oh, yeah.
podcast, he's not said
America.
I was in the US. He said Shimla guy. So
He
all
said
you
Thailand.
haters who keep saying he talks about US, he's speaking about Shimla.
Karan goes to Shimla also.
Yeah.
I also go to Shimla. Yes. So in Shimla, if anyone's ever driven there, when you go from Chandigarh to Shimla, you're going round and round those mountains.
Yeah.
It's and every 5 minutes you'll see a car down in the ravine. Like it's a
Yeah.
pretty bad road. And so they have these accident spots
Yeah.
all over the place, but nobody stops.
Yeah.
Nobody gives a shit about them. So what the government started doing in Himachal, started putting up shrines. Okay, like random shrines. So when a driver is driving, he sees a shrine, he slows down, and does this.
Yeah.
So that's how they use superstition to curb accidents.
They-
That's smart.
But
Huh.
here's the negative effect. Now they went to widen the road.
Okay.
All right.
Now you can't.
Now, so they went to, and so the guy's like, yeah, mera murti todega tu. Ah, idhar aa, dikhta hai kaun. So they won't let them widen the road now because they have to destroy that little shrine.
No,
Oh,
they
you
do
know.
that. They do that on walls where people are peeing also.
yeah.
They just
Yeah.
put the god.
Yeah.
cover
But that's
over
that's the most demeaning form of using religion.
Yeah.
Is stop people from urinating on it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I mean, okay, you use it to get votes, you use it to get money, but you stop people from peeing.
That's
That's
why
demeaning.
can't that be a superstition? Like if you pee in the public, something bad happens to you. Why
Yeah.
can't we make
There should
that
be
into a
positive.
superstition?
Yeah, positive.
Like
superstition.
if you hurt somebody, that's a bad thing. Like that should be
That's allowed back. Come on.
That's called
Well,
karma.
before
I
they left
think.
the house to kill the person, they had dahi.
Okay, so like cutting your nails is considered like you shouldn't cut your nails in the evening.
Yeah.
Like
Like
night.
at night because but I
Do you know
there's
why?
one yeah
It
it's
wasn't
a
even a
legitimate
superstition.
reason
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's a legit reason if you cut your nails they're going to be like they're sharp edges
No.
and there's a good
It'll fly
chance
into
you'll
your
scratch
fucking eye.
yourself
No, guys,
at night.
none
No,
of
it's
that.
because it's
This is
dark and
hilarious.
you
None
cut
of that.
your
You
thing.
know why? Because
What?
because the birds, the sparrows and crows will think it's a piece of rice and eat it and choke on it.
No, it's because it's
No,
dark
because you're
in
gonna
the
scratch your
evening.
face.
sparrows.
No, yeah, fuck the sparrows. No, you're gonna
Since when
cut
are we
your
so
face
concerned
at
about
night.
sparrows?
Yeah,
It's at
because there's a
night,
good
man.
chance you'll scratch your eye or something.
No,
And
it's
one-
because in the night, in those days, I don't know what the hell, they didn't have nail cutters whenever our grandmothers were born, but whatever it was they were using, they were scared in the dark, you wouldn't be able to see your freaking nails when you cut your damn
exactly.
finger.
Or like a lot of times, how many times has happened? You're cutting your nails and that one thing flies and goes straight to your eye.
Never.
Never happened.
Never.
Never
What?
happened.
Maybe like 50
Just
times.
This
I
is just
saw-
I
saw-
think I figured it out. I just figured it out. It's because sometimes when you're cutting your nails and then one rogue nail, like you said, one rogue nail go fut and be like, goddamn, the damn paper's here. One rogue nail. And then in the night you can't freaking look for it. You'll be like, fuck it. And then someone's gonna step on it. They'll be like, ew, in the morning. So that's I think one annoyed person who kept stepping on cut
much for
nails.
nails.
Wait, guys,
Yeah.
has anyone ever like given you like been adamantly like about their superstitious belief and like try to force it on top of you? Like I have a guy in my building who is adamant that I sell my car. I have a Honda Civic that's black color, all right? And he says black is shani.
Yeah.
Okay, and he's adamant. Like in his house, you go, there's just like gods everywhere.
Is he
okay?
a car salesman? Like
No, he's
He's
not.
not.
Okay, I
He's
just
not.
have to
He's-
point out Karan's last car was also black and it got stolen.
Maybe
The
might be
whole
something to
car
this.
got
Maybe the dude's
it
got
was
a
just
point.
gone. Someone
Hey,
left
you know
a
what? It may have
windshield.
got stolen, but the insurance company gave me the same car brand new. Okay,
Black car.
like superstition also is like horoscopes is a part of that, and like there's a guy he follows this one dude who says he is a leader or a expert in astral sciences, and that's the
Just
problem.
checks out your
Astral
ass
sciences, am I right?
every day.
Am I right?
दिखाओ सर आपका क्या है आज future.
Am I
Turn around,
right?
please, man. Yeah. So I think we need to distinguish between like real science and non-science. Nonsense.
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 It's
Nonsense.
called in science.
Is it in science?
Incense.
Incense.
Incense?
No, you're going
Incense.
on the wrong. That's Game of
All right,
Thrones. Wrong,
all right.
wrong show. Wrong
Yeah, the
show.
cheers thing. You know
Seven
the
is
cheers. They
considered
say
a
if you don't
magical
cheers
number.
and make
Yeah.
eye contact,
Yeah.
that sounds like a very modern kind of a
Yeah.
superstition.
But actually,
Yeah.
I read something very
Pub
interesting of where
superstition.
cheers came from. Why we cheer?
Yeah.
It was the Vikings.
Because you don't poison each other.
No,
Yeah.
yeah. So drinks fall into each
each other.
other's glass. So it's
Bang.
boom and
Yeah.
either.
And
So.
also
now
the
we
Vikings.
cheer like a bunch of pussies and
Yeah, man.
Also, guys, the Vikings never shook hands. They shook wrists. You know why?
Because
badass.
No, because they would wipe their asses with their hands. So nobody ever touched each other's hand. They would just.
I think we should take less stuff from Viking tradition.
No, but I actually pulled up a couple of superstitions from around the world because we've spoken about Indian ones, but people abroad also pretty fucked up. The Irish believe that if you trip in a graveyard, you might find yourself a permanent visitor by the end of the year.
So you get a pet?
No, choose
What is this?
no, like from the fucking grave, those guys
yeah,
come
I
to
got-
life and they're chilling with you after.
Can you imagine all the people there at the graveyard, all the ghosts going, अरे यार ये गिर गया यार
हाँ.
रमेश तू
और
जा
they-
अभी तू उसके घर पे जा
They're waiting there to trip the people. They're like, "Hi, chal, just put a
They have
fucking
nothing
like-
better to do. You know?
Guys, do you guys think luck actually is a thing? It exists. There's actually, it's not just coincidence or preparation. There's something.
I think it's a bit of both.
Good
Like
question.
you
So you
have
think
to
luck
be
exists? It's
little
an
bit,
actual
a
thing?
tiny bit. I think there is some. I call it luck or whatever, but I think there's little bit of being in the right place at the right time.
Or the wrong
That's
place,
coincidence.
wrong time.
Coincidence.
I'm
So
saying
being in the right place, having talent, and a bit of luck.
that's coincidence.
So what is
That's
it like
Shah Rukh
an
Khan.
energy that like karma? Like karma, we feel like is a thing. that feels like it exists. Like
No,
it is luck
I think,
also.
I think karma is it's a very simple. It's like you know contra when you do something.
Karma is like
and you get a-
Fuck, how many points are you at right now?
contra
No, in life.
in life probably not too many. Probably not too many. Not doing that
But
great.
when you were in the US.
But I generally believe that, and I'm a very like hardcore sort of rationalist about this. And I think luck doesn't exist. It's a perception thing. It's an abstract thing that we've just made up because we can't understand how somebody else gets a job instead of we do. Oh, must be luck.
So you're rationalizing it as
Yeah.
something
So we're trying
cosmic.
to rationalize it. Oh, I don't believe-
Rationalize your inability
It's
to
Jandu
actually
Balm.
do
It's
something.
Jandu Balm for your soul to like.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah,
I
I
did
feel
my
bad.
best,
That's
but it was
the-
bad luck.
Have you guys had superstitions going up on stage? Like you had the lucky shirt.
I had socks.
You
I
had
had a
socks?
particular set of
What-
socks that
what
I
sort
would
of
wear.
socks are
They were these red socks, and then they tore, and I was like, Shh, oh yeah. उसके बाद मैंने कॉर्पोरेट शो के लिए पहनना शुरू कर दिया because वो तो वैसे ही गंदा होने वाला.
So when I was a state level tennis player, I had a superstition with the number of balls I had in my hand.
Nice. 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 Let's just take a
So he was in
moment.
the green room just इधर आओ guys, come on.
All the green balls. So what I would do is when I was playing on this side, so the 0-0 side. If you guys play tennis, you guys.
Yeah.
So on this side, I would have one ball in my pocket and one ball in my hand. On this side, on the other side, I have two balls in my hand.
Very nice.
And guess what?
It
It
worked.
worked.
Happened, you try to take ball, and you're like, fuck, why is this attached?
No,
Okay.
no, that didn't happen.
So ping pong.
Choose
He
yeah.
meant like he pulled his scrotum out and played tennis with it.
Has to play marbles with.
This
All
is a
right.
funny one. Okay, you have to avoid chewing gum at night in Turkey. They believe you might as well be chewing the flesh of the dead.
Wow.
God damn.
I
That
thought it should be
escalated
like-
quickly.
Yeah.
It's
Damn.
not even a superstition. It's just fun.
You know who's making these up is not. It's just a bunch of grannies who care for their kids. It's a sweet thing
Yeah.
that turns evil all of a sudden. All right, granny say, "I really love my son and I don't want him to die, so ghosts will kill you." You know?
That's like we do that, right? We do that to, like even like Vastu. Like Vastu, I think is a superstition.
North facing, east
Yeah.
facing.
Like I walk into people's homes and they have a mirror in the corner on the top right. Why do you have a mirror? To keep the energy.
No,
Like,
this
what
this
the-
one happened to
You
me
gotta
also
watch yourself
recently. Okay,
shit.
so I got a new wardrobe. Now the wardrobe, half the door is a mirror, which faces my bed.
That's not good.
Yeah, so everyone's come home, buddy, what is this? What is this? I said, what is what? They're like, the mirror is facing the bed. I said, yeah, so? Like, dude, it's bad luck. I said, why? What will happen? So one chick has actually given me a list. You'll have problems in relationships.
No, that's a lie. A chick
Ghost
is in
will
bedroom.
invade.
That's a lie. Never happened.
Yeah, I've felt. Yeah.
My bedroom, not
That's a
others.
fact.
Acha, acha.
You know, apparently, if you keep a plant in your bedroom, it absorbs the
plant.
sexual energy, and you will have less good.
That's
sex.
because you're just lame if you have a plant in your bedroom.
No, and I told this.
That's the same with money plant, right? If you have a money
Yeah.
plant at home, you'll get more money.
This money
And
plant
Wesley-
thing, no. My granny had a money plant. Very conflicted, okay? Because like she had a money plant, then she used to say stuff like कि पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते. I was like, make up your mind. What is happening?
So we have we haven't talked about the mirchi and limbu. You know
That's
that
the main.
I
Yeah.
hate that. Like my mom kept a driver and he came to me, he's like, भाई मुझे 50 रुपए चाहिए. काय के लिए? He's like वो मिर्ची limbu लगाया था आपकी गाड़ी में.
अबे कितने साल के लिए?
50
रुपए
No,
के
he-
लिए?
इतना क्या नींबू है ये?
Yeah, for the whole week. And
चूतिया बना रहा देखो तेरा ड्राइवर.
you think I gave him a rupee for that?
Sorry, it keeps hanging there though. Like
Yeah.
on the trucks you'll see on the highway, right? So many times they're just like things just
Like imagine that. Imagine the cars about to hit each other, like about to hit each other, and they stop. Ah, mirchi.
Ah,
Saved me.
there was so like I just want to do a survey of all the car crashes. Okay, and then see how many Ganpatis were inside the cars.
Oh, that's main.
Oh, yeah.
Important.
Right? Like, I mean, because if a
Ganpati
Ganpati...
and Swastika has to be there on the.
yeah, but
on
if the car is crashed, then clearly Ganpati took an off. Meaning, what is happening?
You know, I think in Russia, Russia's version of Nimbu, whatever, is their dash cam. I think.
See, the thing is that they all want to be YouTube stars. And the
Yeah.
best way to become a YouTube star in Russia is to have a dash cam because you will see some fucked up
Yeah.
shit happening.
Yeah.
And you know what? That's gonna. What if that is the birth of a superstition? 50 years from now, some idiot kid like us is gonna be like, "What's the dash cam? Kind of dumbass doesn't even make sense." But then it'll be a rational thing. It's 'cause
Yeah,
the
yeah,
It
insurance.
was really okay. Here's another one. It says to ensure a prosperous new year, make sure you're wearing yellow underpants on 31st December.
Yellow.
Yeah, does it
Yellow.
have to be white to begin with and then become...
Yeah.
This is obviously some guy who actually peed and pooped himself on the 31st. and came
Yo,
out with
that's
it.
good luck, yeah.
That came up.
Best year ever. Gatti कर ली मैंने pant में.
Okay, yeah. Okay, pigeons pooping on you.
Ah,
Crow shit. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm clearly
Now
been
apparently
standing
that's supposed to
under
be
the
good
wrong
luck,
thing.
right?
Yeah.
Does it
Oh,
have to
that's
be-
good luck?
Yes.
Yeah.
A crow shitting on you is good luck.
It's all from some insecure guy who had poop on his shit. It's good luck, guys.
Yeah,
on purpose.
There's one superstition my mom has that every time someone spills water in a house, she goes like, "Koi aane wala hai." And I'm like, that's a great way to make yourself feel better while you're cleaning it. You know what I mean?
Or like that
अरे
reminds
कोई
me,
आने वाला है यार.
that reminds you of hiccups. Somebody's remembering you.
Someone's
Yes.
remembering you, yeah. But that way, my ex would have so many hiccups. Like,
Oh Lord.
Oh.
Hey, somebody doing a violin.
I don't know if this is
Kautuk ki dukh
superstition
bari
or
kahani.
speaking of hiccups, they say if someone's having hiccups, you scare them. It never works.
it stops.
Does it work?
Yeah.
It does,
Nahi,
it
nahi,
does.
people drink water upside down and
Yeah.
apparently that
I
helps.
think this is some friend who's just messing with another friend. Yeah, stand on your head and fart thrice. It'll
Yeah,
go
yeah.
away.
Nahi, there's one where you like breathe in through your nose, swallow twice, and then exhale through your face.
You
Like,
see?
My-
that's how hiccups are cured.
My
You gotta
friend's
tickle your
dad-
butthole and wipe it in the eye.
नहीं डाल वहाँ पे अच्छा नहीं तू वहाँ पे हाथ डाल तू पैंट के अंदर हाथ डाल वहाँ पे
my friend's dad, like, so my friend was hiccuping, and my friend's dad goes like, just stop breathing for a while. I'm like, I don't think
And
that
your
will solve a lot of
And
problems.
he took that lesson to the grave. Yeah.
No, so then apparently if you stop, like if you hold your breath for some time, it goes away. I don't know. If it
Best way to solve hiccups, just stab yourself in the neck and keep it there.
yes that'll
And that'll-
effectively
that's
stop the hiccups and
Forever,
like,
forever.
yeah,
It'll stop
always.
you.
Yeah.
yeah
Okay, so Argentina has this one thing. Former President Carlos Menem was considered such a disaster for Argentina that even speaking his name is said to bring a curse upon yourself.
Wow.
That's a real life
This is
Voldemort.
some Harry
Nice.
Potter
Voldemort
shit
is
Real
man
life Voldemort, man. Fuck.
Menem.
Awesome.
Okay, knocking on wood. Yeah, you know, say na, "Arey, touch wood."
Ah, touch wood.
Yeah.
Where most dudes touch their dicks.
touch the head when
Survivor.
Ghusa भरा है ना सर में.
Yeah. Nice.
Don't open umbrellas when you're indoors.
Yeah,
You're
that's-
fucking stupid if you.
That's,
No,
that's
because
the
you
reason.
poke someone in the eye, I
yeah
guess.
walking under ladders
Yeah, walking under. Because again, someone. See, this all makes sense.
like Bombay mein there's always some construction going on
And someone will drop something on your head.
yeah
So
so that's logical
it's
Yeah, that's
instant
true.
bad luck. I mean, we're thinking like walk under a ladder. 10 minutes later, you'll get hit by a car. No, someone thinking he'll fall on your freaking
Immediately,
head. It's
yeah.
Oh, you know,
instant.
my funniest favorite one was when you're talking to someone. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh shit, bro, we have to do it again now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm sorry, I brushed against your
Yeah,
boob. I
we-
gotta do it again.
Just like
वो भी करते हैं ना,
justifying
पैर लग गया
molestation.
if you touch your foot to somebody then
Oh yeah, man.
Ah.
वो Indian है. That's more
That's
Indian.
a
Oh
very
shit, I'm
Indian thing.
sorry.
my grandmother used to do this अभी नजर उतारने के लिए what did your grandmother do all religions have their own so this is
मेरा
like Hindus
जीरा
Break it.
No, but that's
Jeera.
such an Indian thing.
Yeah.
We are so jealous of
My
each other.
grandmother-
It's become a superstition. Nazar
नजर
nikalna.
उतार but all my grandmother comes in and like one fine day she'll just come and
Yeah.
Don't actually do this to me,
she's
man.
just blowing on your hair and your that is
Ah.
how Muslims do it
Muslims do it, correct. There was wishing on a shooting star. We forgot.
Wishing on a
Oh
shooting
yeah.
star.
That's something Shah Rukh and Kajol are expert
कुछ
at.
है.
They just find it every time they look. Shooting star.
How many times has that happened in movies? Kajol and Shah Rukh.
It's a go-to thing almost.
Yeah,
अरे
yeah,
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, shooting star.
I want to
ये
see
scene
it
में
from
कुछ
the star's
interesting नहीं है.
perspective. The star's is going like fuck.
I'm gonna explode
Dude,
somewhere.
actually, if you look at that, Karwa Chauth is completely superstitious, right? The moon. I made a meme about this. There's a angry moon going. Why are all these hungry women staring at me? Like, Karwa Chauth.
But it's so weird. Like it's very specific. You have to look at them through the channi. Like why
yeah.
can't you just look up? Why do you
Yeah.
need the channi? Is there a reason
the
for
channi?
the
Chandi is
seed.
like a
No, it's like
Yeah,
see,
yeah,
yeah,
look at them.
see through. But I mean, the idea that if a woman does not eat for 12 hours, her man will have a healthier life. I mean,
Yeah, because he's eating all the food.
उसका खाना खा रहा है basically
Just
कड़ साला husband
you know how fucked up it all is? If a man decides I'm going to fast with my wife, people are like, oh wow.
Oh wow, such a
What a
nice husband.
sacrifice.
अरे,
Yeah.
yes.
अरे क्या यार?
But that's the new thing. All the husbands are saying, "Hey, nice fast
Yeah.
with her."
Yeah.
उधर
How about both of you
office
don't
में
do
जाके
that?
दबाएंगे
Dude,
बिरयानी.
my wife and I, we go to like a restaurant and have like a steak dinner. That
Yeah,
day.
Karwa
Fuck
Chauth
all.
is-
And you get a
Well
reservation
done.
as well.
Yeah,
because-
exactly.
oh right
You know, wouldn't that be better though? Like, you know, if you want a long life for your spouse, just
Yeah.
go eat at a nice
Yeah.
place.
उसको अच्छा खाना खिला yes
Yeah.
You know what? We gotta slowly, I think, at the
Change
end of the
it
day,
around.
start. No, we gotta start. We have the internet, all right. You gotta start spreading these other kind of,
Yeah,
you know,
for sure.
superstitions, the good ones, the positive
No, like,
ones,
okay, so
and slowly spread that through the internet.
I-
And 20 years later, one of them might pick up.
Maybe.
You know?
Yeah, this is exactly what someone must have done like back in the day. Like
Yeah,
five
no,
dudes just
so-
sitting around saying, "Bro, I don't want to cut my nails at night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just let's do this one thing. Let's
Ah,
tell
yeah,
everybody."
so
This
that's
is
That's what I'm
How
saying.
about-
There's got to be a
They
super.
should
How about
fasting,
this? How about-
all of fasting. Like it was my mother's birthday on a Sunday,
Yeah.
and it happened to be Navratri.
Huh.
Navratri or some festival that was happening, and I bought her cake,
हाँ.
and she's like, नहीं आज तो नहीं खा सकती. अच्छा ठीक है तो कल खा लेंगे. नहीं कल Monday. तो मंडे को क्या है? मंडे इज हैव टू गो टू द टेंपल. अच्छा ठीक है, तो ट्यूसडे खा लेंगे. नहीं, ट्यूसडे को आई कांट हैव एग. तो
फिर वेडनेसडे नहीं, वेडनेसडे ट्यूसडे के बाद आता है.
नहीं, उसके बाद केक खत्म हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा. That is what's going to
You guys-
happen.
have you guys
Basically, here's what they did. They took the fasting karma chauth, they just made it into the keto diet. Like, listen, you do it for 30 days. You'll have
But you know what? Ramzan actually started off because there was a drought. And they were trying to save grain at that
Right.
point of time. For the 30 days, you were basically not.
But you're not eating
controlling
grains,
their
you're
food.
eating
Damn.
goat.
That's later on. At the end of it, that's what's happening. They
Yeah.
were conserving grain so that they would have enough for
All
everyone.
superstitions have their root in something that happened somewhere.
Yeah.
And now it's been like bastardized to
Bastardized,
be something
yeah,
else.
yeah.
So what if okay, before I don't know when we're stopping this, but what if at the end of this show we make up our own superstition?
That's what I was just going to say.
Ah,
that.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
let's think of it now.
Okay, I have one superstition.
Ha, exactly.
If,
Ha,
if the
go for
wife
it.
does not go down on her husband once a month, she'll be bad luck will happen.
Ah,
All right, let's
this is such a
Approved.
So,
Next.
every full moon.
Adar,
Alright.
एक बना
एक
superstition.
एक superstition. Okay, if you're going to if you're going for a party, you have to carry your own booze.
Next.
Oh, you know what?
I clearly don't drink. I don't drink.
My superstition is if you watch this video and don't subscribe,
Ah,
18 years of no sex.
and bad internet.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you can't even fucking jack off.
Yeah.
Let's do good luck. Why
Keep
bad
it
luck?
positive, huh?
Okay.
Ah,
So
okay.
if you do this over and over again, it'll bring good luck.
If you come to a comedian's show and don't laugh, you get 7 years of bad luck. Okay, how's that?
Yeah. And if you give us an applause break, then you get 7 years of good luck. Yeah.
If you meet any of the members from our family or us or our future generations, so that it lasts, the superstition,
Huh.
you buy them a beer and an egg puff. An egg
I
puff.
like that.
Yeah.
Buying a beer is good.
Beer and
It'll be
egg
really
puff.
weird if somebody buys my grandmother a beer. It's just
And-
sitting there.
That's why an egg puff also. Throw it in there.
In fact, if you write SNG rocks in the comments, like right now, you will get upvotes. Forever. Forever.
And Kautuk will leave a comment also.
I'll reply to your comment. I don't
He'll
know
come to your house, sit you down,
Yeah.
talk to you in
and
person.
talk, yeah.
Every time Kautuk replies to your comment, you will have 20 years of bad luck.
Yeah.
Alright? So, you better hope he doesn't.
Every
So,
time.
have you covered all superstitions? Do we have any
No,
more?
probably not, but
I think,
that wait
I,
till
think-
then.
I don't think we'll ever cover all
Hey,
superstitions.
is it if you don't cover all superstition that you get bad luck?
Yeah.
Okay, on that note.
All right.
We hope this episode brings you good luck. Share it for good luck. Once again, thank you so much, Naveen.
Thank you very
Make
much.
sure you follow his YouTube channel, Dan
Yeah.
Boxer Short. They're responsible for the really funny Better Life Foundation, one half of Star Boys, and now
you.
part
And
of
a really
this
funny,
video.
a very funny sketch. My favorite sketch they've done is the Godman sketch. Please
Yeah.
watch the
Oh,
Godman sketch.
yes.
If you subscribe to them boxer shorts, you get 7 years of good content.
And a free
yeah.
boxer
Kautuk will
short.
go down on you as
That's it. We're going to end the podcast right here.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. See
Yes.
you.